When I walked out to this sunset, I had no idea these gray clouds would later be replaced by vibrant colors. The humidity and bugs over the water were so intense, I decided this dull sunset wasn't worth the sweating and itching, so I left. And then, the entire sky lit up. I was suddenly scrambling to find a location where I could see the beauty without the bugs. This sunset and my location changed so much, it's hard to believe this was all filmed in 1 hour. This is Owl's Relaxation. We create scenic and relaxing videos. We hope to earn your subscription today. This video is sponsored by people like you. We'll explain later. I'm extremely early for sunset today because I noticed the golden glow was already coming through my window like an hour before sunset. And I've come to the far pagoda, which has this amazing approach where you can see the horizon is already golden. It rained a ton today, so it's very humid. Pretty much rained almost all day. You can also see down below on both sides, which is per usual, there's water on both sides. This walkway is almost always got water on both sides. And as we get out here, let's appreciate this reveal. It's the long walk to what the sunset will be. So the sun is still quite high in the horizon. This is by far the earliest I've ever been for sunset. Pretty calm waters, a little tiny ripple. This could be a good one. Got some dark clouds, but plenty of gaps, and most importantly, no dark cloud on the actual horizon. So that looks pretty cool. Much darker in camera. There we go. That's how it looks for real. This is the high tide view of pagoda number 2. When it's low tide, there's tons of revealed ground here. Pretty much this whole bay. And that gets you a lot of bird activity when it's low. Mainly because over here on the left, where those trees jut out, is the exit of a drainage canal, and that's where they line up, and you can see the line of them from pagoda number 1. But this is already some really nice lines. We have a noisy visitor squawking at us. Came all the way to the base of the step and then ran away. Into the sunset. Let's connect on social media. Links are in the description. Ooh, I've changed to the other pier 1 that is closer to me. I was so early at the other one, I decided to just kill time by walking back to this one. And now we can see a lot more colors coming through. Everything is so wet and humid. It's like you could cut the air with a knife. It's that kind of humid. If you'd like to be an Owls insider, you need to subscribe to our email list, linked in the description below. It's the closest free thing to being our Patreon supporter. There we go. Ooh, still high in the sky. And looking amazing. Oops, someone's moved our trash can back inside so it didn't collect rain. Oh, there's the smell hit me again. Oh, are these dead no-see-ums? There's already a lot of them on here. Nope, they're not dead. They're moving. They are early today. Might not be able to stay out for this whole thing. The smell is also moderate here. It does look nice. There's the more proper brightness. Let's see. There is, I think, a little blue heron on that tiny bit of land that's sticking up on the right. Just a lovely yellow glow everywhere. Alright, come back to you in a bit. I've decided to leave the pagoda because the bugs were biting so bad. And this is not a bad substitute here. Just walking home around the lake. But man, the bugs over by the water were bad. And just with the amount of humidity, it wasn't worth sticking around sweating and being bitten. Especially when it looks this good over here. Don't regret leaving the pagoda, although it does look like it would have been really, really good from the pagoda.
If you're enjoying this video, please let us know with a like and subscribe. These are quick, free ways to show your appreciation and tell YouTube this video deserves more views. If you'd like to be notified every time we publish a new video, click the subscribed bell, then select all.
All the way around the full sky. Wow. Beautiful. So much color. See, from the pagoda, I wouldn't have known about all this side and rear cloud. But the stripage and the dark contrasty clouds over there do look excellent. And I'm sure they will continue to look excellent as this progresses. It's still very beautiful over here. I do love how our glowing fountain, the yellow, matches the yellow in the sunset, kind of tying the whole picture together from left to right. And to the far right, we're starting to lose some of the color we had earlier. So there is a nice swirl right there, but the main action now is happening at the sunset. We've now got the upper level clouds way up there catching some pink and really, really intense pink, magenta, and orange and yellow on the left. It's actually so intense that it's not being accurately captured by the camera. And we've lost all of the light to the right side, outside of the frame of the camera. And unfortunately, due to the building, this is about as much of the sky as I can capture right now. Now I've got my camera tuned to the correct colors of that left portion, being hot pink in the top line, bright orange in the middle line, and lighter orange to yellow at the bottom edge. That is the true color. We are quickly losing our upper level color. That was a pink cloud way up the top. There's pretty much nothing left up there now. It was still a spectacular sunset. Makes me a bit sad, and I had to step out of the pagoda, but this is a much more pleasant viewing experience.
If you'd like to see us create more and better videos like this, please consider helping us with a one-time tip on PayPal, Zelle, or Venmo, or a recurring donation on Patreon. Even just a few dollars helps us cover expenses, hire help, upgrade equipment, and dedicate more time to improving. Links are in the description below, or pause this video and scan a QR code. It's people like you who keep us going, so thank you for your support. So which part was your favorite? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks again to each person who supports us, especially our angel investor Patreon supporters. Learn how to get your name in these credits at our Patreon link in the description. We recommend you watch this video next.